Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should begin by confirming your device supports Face ID and that iOS is current. Once confirmed, open Settings and go to Face ID and passcode to enroll your face. Make sure your passcode is set before continuing. Position your face inside the frame, move your head slowly when prompted, and complete both scans. This initial setup lets apps use Face ID for authentication, and it reduces failures caused by poor lighting or obstructive accessories. Now configure which apps can use Face ID. Go back to Settings, choose Face ID and passcode, and enable access for other apps. This central control lists apps that requested Face ID. Alternatively, open an app that supports Face ID and allow authentication when prompted, because some apps require you to accept inside their own settings. Make sure to review per app options and disable access when sharing devices. This ensures only chosen apps can unlock with biometrics, improving both convenience and security. Finish by testing unlock behavior. Lock the iPhone and open each app to confirm Face ID unlock works smoothly. Some apps prompt for permission on first use. If you run into problems, reset Face ID and re-enroll your face, wipe the true depth camera area clean, and retry in consistent light. Make sure iOS and the apps are updated, and remember the passcode fallback. If the issue persists, temporarily disable and re-enable app Face ID access to force a fresh permission handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.